how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add bots to your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to add bots to your Discord server, you will need to open up a web browser. Any web browser should be fine. I will be using Safari. After that, you will need to search for a web browser, a website called top.gg. So if you just type in top.gg, it will take you to this website where you can explore different Discord bots and Discord apps. So after you're here, there you will see a search bar for Discord. So what you'll need to do here is simply search for the bot that you want to add. So let's say that I want some bot related to music. So I'll simply search for it and there will be different bots available. Now let's say that I want to download or add this bot called Euphony. I'll just tap on it, and after I tap on it, it will give me this option to invite. Tap on invite, and after you tap on invite, it will just redirect you to your Discord server. So you can select the server from here and then tap on continue. Then you can give it following permissions. So give the permission that you require here, and after you give it, tap on authorize. After you tap on authorize, go through the CAPTCHA if it asks you for it, and after you go through the CAPTCHA, you will have added the bot in your Discord. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.